So today, at 5-star Barton Detailing, we're going to discuss about winter weather, and obviously the mucky roads and the dirt that it creates on cars. The safest way to remove this dirt without causing any damage towards the paintwork. Now, you could just rinse this off, try and rinse it off, but it still leave the dirt there and all the dirt particles, which could cause scratches to the paintwork. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to apply a pre-wash to this. I'll show you the differences. It's non-pre-washing, it's pre-washing. Spray it all over the car. So now we'll just leave that for a minute to set and to dwell in. You can see on the video of the dirt what's being dragged down. So using a pre-wash first of all. As I said, if you didn't use a pre-wash, you risk the chances of causing scratches and damage towards the paintwork. So now we've left that for around a minute. We'll get our jet wash and we'll spray it off and get rid of that dirt with ease. .50 shot there. Nice and clean now. Now this paintwork much cleaner than it was before. Ready to apply snowfoam and leave that to dwell. Rinse that off and start our contact wash. So with this type of weather, get yourself a good pre-wash and use that first of all before applying any snowfoam and rinse it off for the best results.